Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on CUBOT X70. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family, then click on Parental Controls and then click Get Started. Now click on Child or Teenager and then click Next. Now click on Other Create Account for your child. And here you have to enter your child's email address. And then click Next. And here you have to enter your child's password. Then click I agree. And now click on More and Accept. Now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And now click on More, and Next. Now scroll down and click Next. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. And then click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.